Jeffrey.
Oh, Christmas on 34th.
She's the actor of Matilda.
Oh, this is Christmas on. Sure, because this is Cole's.
Christmas.
Oh yeah, it is
34th.
Christmas on 34th because I saw it right. Let me show you.
Christmas on 34th. Miracle on 34th. You need the cover?
I just wanted to make people look at this.
You think about, damn, I was a kid. Like, you think of yourself as a kid and
I love you, Brooklyn.
That's
grew
it.
up right now with kids. Did life go? Wait a second. Like, I got a whole
She's saying no to him.
with the kids.
At 19, 18.
Mommy, she said after she said
no.
She said I don't.
She got a Cartier ring, Jeffrey.
She said thank you. I would have said no too.
You would have said no too?
No, I would have took that ring. If I sit on that table up here. I know.
Sausage.
That's why.
I don't see no cheese.
Ooh.
Cheese.
What's that? Hey, why are you doing the same thing?
It's two different. It's two different drinks.
What? Right.
I don't think it matters. I think she's expecting to do your, like, rinse out your hair, so. You don't need to go all the way down there. I don't think you need to go all the way.
One time I went to 16 by doing this test.
I know, but
It was a
be
very
careful. Take your time.
like this. I'm gonna try to talk. Look at it. I have to be cautious though.
You're on the wall. Check. See your feet touch the floor. See. I know you're almost the same height as your older brother, so you should be good standing there. But hold the wall.
I'm almost the same height. I'm just down by like 2 inches.
Okay. only thing I dislike about this right here is
Yeah, it's
I don't know
easy
what
like
happened
this.
here. It's not a pretty sight. Guys, stick with Nash too.
Jeffrey took the kids to the pool. We did stay in. It's now 1:36. He did order breakfast from Elephant Vine, and they had English muffin with sausage and vegan eggs. Obviously, it is raining right now, but it's supposed to snow like later on in the evening. I'm not mad at it at all, honestly, because we were all so tired. So I brought my bathing suit, but I didn't want to go in the pool. But the kids really wanted to. They prefer going to the pool than going outside. So we just made the executive decision to just let them enjoy that. They also wanted to go ice skating, but yesterday, since we really wanted to like walk around, go to the winter stuff, and then Jeffrey did have in his mind about the basketball game that we did see. So like thinking about all of that, it would have messed up if we went ice skating, because how it's scheduled, it's like every other hour. So when we looked at it, they had just allowed people to go onto the ice, which was at 3:00, and then 4:00 it would be a break, and then 5:00 would be the next round of skaters. But if we would have did that, we wouldn't have been able to go to the basketball game. So, and he didn't want to tell them because he still didn't decide if he wanted to go to the basketball game or not. So we said, okay, what if we go tomorrow, right? But then after the basketball game, he asked them, does it matter what city you go ice skating in? And they were like, no, once they go ice skating. So we were like, we'll just take them on a weekday to either Bryant Park or Central Park to go ice skating. Hopefully it's not as crowded after the Christmas season, like maybe like January. Since we are homeschoolers, we could go during the week. So he preferred to take them to the pool. Today, we were technically supposed to go to the Science Museum, and we told them that when we got back in from the basketball game. I think Jeffrey looked it up, and he said the train does not go near that museum that we wanted to take them to. But they said, yes, they would like to go to the Science Museum because they do like those kind of interactive type of things. But they would prefer the pool. And we did pack their bathing suits because we knew that there was a pool, but they didn't know because they didn't know they were coming here. So they kept saying, can we go to Target and buy a bathing suit? Like once they knew that it had a pool. And we were like, oh, maybe, because we were still trying to decide like what time would be best for us to take them. Because obviously with a pool, I have to rinse out their hair, dry their hair. It's a cold city. So it's a lot of things when it comes to the pool. Anyway, we ended up taking them. Well, Jeffrey did. I'm up here and I'm editing, which I'm happy about because it's like a mini break for me since I'm with them all the time. So I'm only 18 minutes in to an hour video. Jeffrey.
Crystal's in the room, enjoying her peaceful, well-deserved, mom away from kids time. We've been here for like 2 hours so far, and it's going until I hear, oh my God. I'm gonna just sit here and chill.
Ready when you are. Go ahead. Yeah. soon.
Someone will be with you as soon as possible.